Let's address the breaking news, and at this point in time, you have the Supreme Court that has actually gone ahead and dismissed SBI's extension plea. So they've gone ahead and dismissed their plea. Remember that if you look at SBI had asked for an extension of the timeline to go ahead to disclose the data on the electoral bonds. They sought for some more time till about June 30th or so, which the government, rather the Supreme Court has dismissed that plea. Apart from that, what Supreme Court has said that they've asked SBI to give electoral bond details by March 12th, that is tomorrow. Apart from that, they've rejected the more time for data on electoral bonds. They've also told the Election Commission of India to actually publish the electoral bonds detail by March 15th. So this is a crucial development coming in on this particular verdict. You have the Supreme Court that's gone ahead and dismissed the SBI's extension plea. In fact, they've told SBI to give the electoral bond details by March 12th. Apart from that, Election Commission is supposed to go ahead and publish the electoral bond details by March 15th on its website. So yes, that's the breaking news coming in at this point in time, rejecting the SBI plea, seeking more time for data on electoral bonds. We'll try and connect with a reporter who's tracking this story very closely. But yes, it's a very important development coming in when it comes to the national front, given the fact that Feb 15th judgment of Supreme Court, they had asked SBI to go ahead and disclose the details on electoral bonds. Apart from that, what CJI had observed in the case hearing right now, saying that SBI was supposed to submit in its application that the donor and redemption details are available. Also, they said the directions required SBI to disclose information which is already available to it, for which SBI asked for an extension of timeline to go ahead and disclose those details, which the Supreme Court has dismissed that plea. And they are supposed to, SBI is supposed to give all the details by March 12th. Apart from that, what Supreme Court is saying that the Election Commission of India shall publish it on the website, all the details that are forwarded by SBI. What Supreme Court has also said, we place SBI on notice that if not complied with orders, action will follow. Also, Supreme Court is saying as of now, no contempt notice. So that is the crucial details coming in on that particular case. We will try and connect with our reporter in a short while from now to get us more details on that particular front. SBI stock price right now at the day's lowest point. Remember, you also have a Bernstein note that has gone ahead. Bernstein that has downgraded SBI. Actually, let's connect to my colleague Sumit, who's tracking this case very closely. And Sumit, a very crucial development coming in on that particular front, given the fact the Supreme Court has gone ahead and dismissed SBI's plea. What does this mean and what were the observations?
Well, yes, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and dismissed the plea by SBI to extend the deadline to June 30. Supreme Court, though, went into the details of the whole issue, saying that yes, information is needed, there are compulsions, but SBI will have to meet deadline. They are also saying that currently no contempt proceedings against SBI will be undertaken, but they have to file an affidavit signed by CMD on this overall issue. So that's what has been said so far. As we speak, hearing is going on the whole issue. SBI had sought extension of timeline as far as furnishing details of electoral bonds are concerned. So overall, the CJI Salve appeared for SBI and was presenting a case that extension is needed, but it is not being given. Election Commission of India will have to put details on the website also. So as the things stand currently, SBI has not been given this extension which it had sought as far as electoral bond issue is concerned.
Thank you so much for that, Sumit, for actually outlining what exactly the Supreme Court had to say in this particular judgment given it. But right now, what the details, as mentioned by Sumit as well, is the fact that the SBI's extension plea has been dismissed. The SBI is supposed to give the electoral bond details by March 12th, and the Election Commission of India is supposed to actually publish those details on its website by March 15th.